The bodyweight row or inverted row includes any rowing variation where one pulls oneself towards a stationary object. Here demonstrated on TRX straps using a shallow angle and then coming down to a steeper angle wherein the knees will bend, allowing the hips to stay up and the feet to stay flat on the floor. Pull through a full range of motion, trying to drive your thumbs to your armpits. The inverted row may also be performed on a Smith machine or any other place where a bar is able to be grasped securely.